Hi, welcome back to part 2. So as I was saying, I got all this for about 80 bucks. So the game was like $22.48. These ship pets, which I got 3 of them, each of them is costing $12.48. Originally they're like $24.99, 25 bucks a ship. I'm getting them for like something around 13 bucks. And these little battle pads are going for 10 bucks. And I got this one for $4.99, and this one was like $2.99 for the black one. So yeah. So if you add all up the game, 3 ships, 2 weapon pads, something around, I think it was like 78 bucks. So 8 bucks, which is not that bad. The game by itself was originally 75 bucks. 75 bucks for the whole starter pack. You know, that came with the game and the poster, and the controller mount holder. And for about 80 bucks, I could get the game, 3 ships, 2 weapon packs. That's pretty freaking awesome. So that's why I was like, okay, yes, now's the time to get the Starlinks. For Atlas stuff. Yes, I know there's still more weapon packs and ships. Am I going to get them? Probably not, unless they go on sale like either at Walmart, Target, Myers. I know GameStop would carry them, like the other ships and other weapon packs, but they're still going to be charging full price, like $24 and $10. So, yeah. Now, if they had like quiz, or if it's like buy 1 get 1 free, buy 2 get 1 free type of deal like GameStop, then maybe. But other than that, what I have is what I have. Unless, like I said, Target, Walmart, Myers, they put them on the quiz with. I don't really think Myers would. I haven't really seen them over at Walmart, but I'm hoping maybe another Target would. But, yeah. So let's see what we actually get in here. So here's how it kind of comes. You games patches there and stuff. Actually, let's take the game out first. Because that'll be a lot easier. Let's see how